truly shines. The system has the capability to detect when the car is in motion. When this happens, certain activities are restricted, ensuring that the driver's attention stays where it should be, on the road. This isn't just about preventing distractions. It's about intelligently managing the in-car environment to ensure both safety and enjoyment. Whether you're the driver or a passenger, the car is aware of what's happening and adjusts the entertainment options accordingly. Moreover, the AI system doesn't just react to the current situation, it learns and adapts. The more you use the system, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and habits. This means that over time, your in-car entertainment experience becomes more and more tailored to you. Tesla's AI-powered in-car entertainment system is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the potential of AI in transforming our driving experience. This case study gives us a glimpse into a future where our cars are not just means of transportation, but personalized entertainment hubs, all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. As we've seen, AI is already beginning to reshape in-car entertainment, but what does the future hold? Picture this, a world where fully autonomous vehicles are the norm. With AI at the helm, the driver's seat transforms into a hub of immersive entertainment. Imagine donning a virtual reality headset on a long journey exploring alien worlds or diving into an epic adventure, all while your car safely navigates the real world. But the possibilities extend beyond mere entertainment. AI could become a guardian angel of sorts, constantly monitoring the state of the driver. Detecting signs of fatigue or distraction, it could dynamically adjust the entertainment options to keep the driver alert, perhaps by switching to a more engaging podcast or an upbeat music playlist. While the exact future of AI in in-car entertainment remains to be seen, one thing is clear. It's an exciting road ahead, and AI is in the driver's seat.